What's that? Where's the doggy that goes in here? And the kitty cat. And the frog. Where are they? Where are they, Paige? Ball. You have a ball, Quinn? What do you have, Lila? You have a blankie? Are you taking all the blankies out? The blankie? Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-huh. Sibling rivalry. Oh. Lila, you don't want Quinn to have that? Do you not want Quinn to have that? Paige, you gonna get your own? Or are you just gonna crawl in there? Okay. You gonna crawl in there, Paige? Okay. What do you want to tell me, Lila? Say hi, Granddad. Hi, Granddad. Hi, Granddad. Paigey, what you doing in there? What you doing? Uh-oh. Paige, you don't want to do that. You'll break them. Oh. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Paige. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yeah. What you doing, Quinn? Got a tag? Lila, you know I just told Paige no. You can't play with those. No. No, ma'am. Because it's going to break the way you're bending them. Yeah, you're shaking your head. You know what no means. Say, please, pretty please, no. Look at you pretty girls. Quinn, you know exactly what I'm saying. Quinn's going to have to get in there too, okay? Do you see this?
Quinn likes to go in head first all the time.
Woo!
Did you get that on camera?
Oh, yes.
What happened? What happened, daughter?
What happened? Quinn. Ooh. You want to see, I know. Yes. Who's that in there? You see, that's Paige. Do you see her? Oh, there's Paige. Yeah. Uh-oh, don't stand up, Paige. You're making me nervous. And Quinn is still climbing in there. Oh, okay, let me get Paige because I'm a little nervous. Whoops, we got that too. But I guess you girls have done this. Yay, Quinn! She made it in there! You want to see Quinn in there? You think it's funny? You see Quinn? Who's that, Quinn?
Hey, Quinn. Where you at? Where you at?
Uh-oh, here goes Paige in there.
Oh.
Quinn, leave those blinds alone.
Or she's gonna pull her in. Hi, darling. Hey, darling. Hey, darling.
You getting in there, Paige? Oh, I just love you girls. All right, be careful now. Oh my goodness, Paige in there! Good job! Woo! Good job. You're on camera. So I have to get for you a Christmas, a big basket all three of you can fit in. Uh-oh, I think you're all gonna fit in. Oh, okay, let's take the blankets off. Paigey, you know that's a no-no. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. What's the matter, Quinn? You stuck? You stuck? Stuck, yes. Stuck? Paige, where are you climbing to? We can't climb. Oh, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. Get boo-boos. Tell me about it. I see you.
Paige. Paige. Hi. What you doing back there? What you doing back there? Hello. Hello.
Well, you're sitting on it, so it's going to be very difficult to lift it out of there. And that was her doing the first